Accusize Coarse/Standard Tooth M42-8 Cobalt roughing end mills. Its M42-8 Cobalt body offers multiple advantages over the traditional high-speed steel. TiAlN Coating further strengthens the heat and wear resistance of the end mill. Coolant is not required, and the tool's lifespan is greatly increased. Center cutting allows the end mill to plunge directly into the material. These roughing end mills are good for aggressive machining. They feature Weldon Shanks for improved stability and rigidity during the machining process. Here are the tool specifications. Coarse Tooth is ideal for deep slotting or profiling, removing large amounts of material, and milling softer steel. These end mills are precision ground by an ISO 9002 certified factory. They leave relatively smooth surface finishes, limiting the need for finishing passes. Users have reported excellent results on mild steel and aluminum. Possible milling operations include peripheral milling, ramping, helical milling, slotting, and plunge milling. Finally, here are the recommended side milling parameters.